Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are working with volume measurements, you might have wondered how to properly type the cubic meter symbol in Microsoft Excel. It is a common formatting issue, but the solution is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, select the cell where you want your measurement unit to appear. Go ahead and type the letter M, and then immediately type the number 3. Next, you need to isolate that number. Highlight just the number 3 directly inside the cell or up in the formula bar. With only the 3 selected, right-click on it to bring up the context menu and click on Format Cells. A new window will pop up on your screen. In this window, look for the section labeled Effects. You will see a checkbox there for Superscript. Go ahead and check that box. Once you have done that, simply hit OK. Your number 3 is now perfectly raised, giving you the correct M-cubed format. It looks much cleaner and far more professional. If you have an entire column that needs this specific unit, there is no need to repeat the process every time. Just select your newly formatted cell, press Ctrl-C to copy it, highlight the rest of your target cells, and press Ctrl-V to paste the exact same formatting. And that is all there is to it. Your spreadsheet is now formatted correctly. If this quick tip saved you some time today, make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.